Hello guys, this video is going to be a little bit different because my rear fixed window got smashed in. Who smashed it in? Well, I guess some stupid kids that were playing football, because I left the car about where it is now, but a bit to the right. Now you guys might be wondering, why the fuck would you leave your car in the middle of a football field? No, this is pretty much a parking lot in front of my flat. So my car was parked a little bit to the right, next to a trash can. I mean, I couldn't really open the front door because of the trash can. So when I parked it there, there was nobody around. Not like I intentionally parked my car next to some kids playing football so they can smash it and I can go yell at them. Anyway, so this happened a few months ago. I was in a rush about all day. I was coming home, going to work, back and forth. After that, my mother asked me to take her and my godmother to the doctor. After that, I came back, left the car there. I was still working on something in my room, so I saw these kids playing football next to my car. And when my mother called me to go after her, go down, but I didn't check that window. So we get back and I reverse in a parking spot and I try to look to see what's behind me, and then I see that stupid window is broken. Okay, I call the police, they come, they were like, what the fuck do you want us to do? What? Should we go after some kids at this o'clock? What? They were basically angry at me for calling them to do their goddamn job. Incompetent freaks. So, anyway, I saw I couldn't really do anything, and the next day and the day after that, I went to these kids' parents and tried to talk to them. Well, obviously, nobody knew anything, and they did say that if it was their son, they would happily pay, but yeah, I'm not that of an asshole to go up to them and say, yes, it was your son, so pay me. So basically, I couldn't really do anything about it. Yeah, just a normal day in Romania. On the other hand, I did buy another window from a junkyard, and today, when I'm editing and I filmed the breaking video, I took it to somebody to replace the glass. And I thought it's going to be an interesting clip to smash through the glass. So I want to end it here just by saying fuck you to whoever did it, and fuck you for not leaving a note or wanting to pay for it. And for the rest of you guys, thanks for watching and have a nice day.